Alright, so this is going to be a Costco sale item review of this Pyrex 3-piece glass measuring cup set. Alright, so normal price $13.99, $3 off, so basically about $11. Alright, oh, and also this has tax obviously because it's not food. Okay, well, it depends where you live. If you're in Oregon, I don't think you pay tax on it at all. Anyways, here you go. There's the item number. I thought this would be nice. I have like a glass measuring cup and it holds up really well. That one's not Pyrex, but yeah, anyways, usually Pyrex is pretty good. You can see 3-piece set. Okay, food not included, obviously. Accessories not included, obviously. Okay, it's just for these 3 measuring cups. So here you go. You have a 1-cup measuring cup, a 2-cup measuring cup, and a 4-cup measuring cup. There you have the UPC code. All right, they have the measurements here. I don't know why you need to know the measurements, but if you do, there you go. Okay, then what do we have on this side? So yeah, you can refrigerate and freeze these. Okay, you can also microwave. You can put it in a preheated oven. Don't put it, well, that's weird. Preheated oven is okay. I thought usually you want a gradual heat or temperature change. You don't want a sudden temperature change. Anyways, dishwasher safe. Oh, here you go. Avoid extreme temperature changes. So, yeah, I would say, like, I don't know about, I guess if it's preheated and it's slowly changing. But don't go from, like, a oven and then pour like ice water or something in it, because then you're going to destroy these. Anyways, 2022. Okay, I mean, you can read all of that stuff yourself. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what we got. Well, actually, we got more stuff. Let's see on the bottom. I didn't really see that. You can see where it's imported and manufactured for Costco. All right, you see all this Costco information, and then there's other languages in here. Pyrex is a registered trademark of Corning Inc. All right, made in the U.S. They have all this stuff here. United Steelworkers Union label. All right, limited 2-year warranty. I don't know how you would warranty it, but I think even if you break it after 2 years, if you go to Costco and return it, they'll take it back. All right, if for some reason there's something wrong with it. Made from heat strengthened soda lime glass. All right, you can see there. You got the box is recyclable. Okay, dishwasher safe. Then they got, looks like Japanese. Okay. Oh, yep. worldkitchen.co.jp. They have some Australia stuff here. Our goods come with guarantees that cannot be excluded under the Australian consumer law. You are entitled to a replacement or refund for a major failure and for compensation for any other reasonably foreseeable loss or damage. You are also entitled to have the goods repaired or replaced if the goods fail to be of acceptable quality and the failure does not amount to a major failure. All right, then Packaging Corporation of America. There's so many things on here, right? Anyways, you can see the box thing, and yeah, meets all construction requirements. Edge crush test, 32 pounds per inch. Okay, I don't know why they put all that information on here. Not like people are gonna be testing and stacking them together to see how much it'll crush. Maybe if you buy a whole bunch of stuff or stack them on top, I guess. All right, let's go ahead and open this up. Oh, the box kind of tore there. Pop this open. You can see how it's stored. Okay, so it looks like they're in a cardboard tray here. Let's go ahead and slide this out if we can. Okay, so here you go. It slides out like this. Oh man, it's getting caught on itself. Okay, anyways, we'll take this one out first. You can see they put this little packet thingy inside as well. This is dry clay craft. What is that? Okay, non-toxic. Oh, it's a desiccant. Okay, so basically it's like a oxygen moisture absorber thing. There's this little booklet pamphlet in it. Okay, I'm assuming everybody knows what a measuring cup does and looks like. It's just for measuring ingredients. They have this paper cardboard on top to prevent these from kind of like bumping into each other in packaging. Okay, you can see the glass makes this nice bluish green color. Wow, that actually is a nice shade of blue in the camera. All right, here you can see the milliliters. Okay, so they put the increments on other sides. Then they got the cups and ounces here. Okay, that's what that one looks like. That's the 1 cup. We got the 2 cup one here. All right, you can see it has the ounce measurements, the cups side by side here. Okay, and you can see they skip the quarter increments and third increments on the sides. All right, and then on this side they have milliliters. There you go for metric. And then you got the giant 4 cup one. All right, there you go. They have the measurements here. So metric again, milliliters, liters. Okay, and the cups and ounces here. Okay, and I don't know if it's safe to store these together like this. I think as long as you lower them in slowly, carefully, should be okay. All right, they do stack kind of nicely. Just make sure you get the handles side by side like that. Okay, and now for the part that most people don't care about, but I'm gonna just put it in the video anyways, because sometimes people want this information and it's not available anywhere. Okay, so here you go. Glassware products. I have 3 different languages on here, I think. Okay, and this is what the back has. Consumer care. All right, so they have the contact information there with websites. So if you're in the US, Mexico, Shanghai, Japan, Singapore, Taiwan, Australia, or Korea, they have information there to contact. Apparently, US and Mexico don't allow you to call them. Shanghai only allows you to call them. Japan only allows you to call them. I don't know why some places will only let you call and no websites. But, yep. All right. So they fold it up together like this. If for some reason you took it apart and want to fold it back the same way, I don't know, maybe that will help. Okay, let's open this whole thing up. Okay, this is a giant pamphlet. Let's see, I'm only going to show the English side. This looks like Spanish here. Yep, that all looks like Spanish. Okay, so here we have the English side. Safety, use, and care. Right? It says to read and save these instructions for best results. Okay. These apply to Pyrex products made with heat-strengthened soda lime glass, including baking dishes, mixing bowls, prep bowls, pie plates, measuring cups, and storage containers. Note for Pyrex Petites, baking dishes refer to Pyrex Petites, safety, use, and care instructions. Right? The measuring cups may be made from... What? May be made from heat-strengthened soda lime glass. Oh, or borosilicate glass. Okay, so they use 2 different types. And for both, we recommend the following. Safety, use, and care instructions. Here you go. All glassware can break, obviously. Right? You can help prevent damage by following these guides. Do not use it on or near the stovetop. Don't use it on a broiler. Don't use it on a barbecue grill. Don't use it on a microwave browning element. I don't know what that is. Stovetop pressure cooker. Okay, don't use it on all of those. For the countertop, do not use on or near the toaster. Don't put it on in the countertop oven, air fryer, slow cooker, crock pot, rice cooker, grilling appliance, air fryer, function of instant pot, or pressure cookers. Okay, so be careful with all these uses. And then you don't also want to use it on or near direct heating sources, open flames, or camping stove. Otherwise, you'll destroy it. Many Pyrex storage containers and baking dishes can be used in your Instant Pot brand product. To see which size glassware for dish fits. Okay, there you go. All right. And while cooking, it says do not transfer directly from freezer to hot oven. Okay, yeah, this is what I mentioned about fast, like rapid temperature changes, right? Don't add liquid to hot glassware. So if it's really hot and you put like water in there, like cold water, room temperature water, it's going to destroy it. All right. Don't use it to microwave popcorn. Don't microwave it while it's empty. Don't microwave just a tiny amount of food. Don't overheat oil or butter in the microwave with this. Use for foods with and don't use for foods with browning wrappers, so like Hot Pockets and stuff. All right. Place also after cooking, do not place hot glassware in the sink. All right. Do not place hot glassware on a metal stove grate. Do not place glassware on a wet or cold surface, and handle the hot glassware with a wet. Do not handle hot glassware with a wet or cold cloth. Okay. Safest place for hot glassware to cool is on a cooling rack, dry pot holder, dry cutting board, or dry cloth. When handling, do not bump against hard objects. Attempt to repair. And do not attempt to repair when cracked. Okay. Do not use abrasive cleanser or abrasive scouring pads, and do not clean with hard objects such as metal. Okay, so don't use those metal scratchy, what are those pads called? Brillo pads. All right. If glassware breaks, use care when picking up sharp pieces to avoid cuts. If glassware is damaged or breaks, do not use and dispose of all pieces carefully. If you are filing a warranty claim, keep all the pieces in safe storage until you are informed it's safe to dispose of them. For lids, for glass lids, read the warnings above the glass. For glassware, if lid includes a vent feature, be sure to open it before microwaving food. If lid includes a removable seal, be sure it's securely in place to prevent leaks during transport and storage. Do not use the lids in an Instant Pot pressure cooker. Do not soak wood or steel lids in water. Do not store wood lids in direct sunlight, as it can damage the wood. Use your glassware as designed for baking, serving, and storing food. All right, so most people aren't going to be using measuring cups for these things, but yeah, it's just stuff to know when you're using glass. A lot of people, I would think most people know this stuff, but I guess not. Anyways, your glassware is designed for baking, serving, and storing food. So you can see in the oven, you can use, so in a standard oven preheated, you can use glassware. Standard convection oven preheated, you can use glassware. In a microwave, you can use it. Instant Pot pressure cooker, you can use it, but you want to see the notes. You can use it in the refrigerator and freezer. Decorated storage, what is that? No. Oh, okay. So if there's decorations on it, then you can't use it. I'm assuming this counts as decorations. I don't think the ink, the paint and stuff can handle like being in the oven and stuff. So yeah, so the only thing you can use it for is the refrigerator and freezer. Microwave, I think actually is okay, so I don't know if it counts. Anyways, here you can see Beyond jars. You can use them in the microwave, refrigerator, freezer. These have nothing to do with the measuring cups themselves. These are like all the different products that Pyrex sells. Plastic lid. Okay, you can use them maybe in the microwave, but it's probably the thing about leaving the vent open, and you can use them in the refrigerator and freezer. Glass silicone lid. You can use in most situations except for Instant Pot pressure cooker, and in the microwave you want to check the notes. And then also for wood lids, you can only put them in the refrigerator. You can't use them anywhere else. Okay, here you go. Notes: always prevent oven and convection. Always preheat oven and convection oven before inserting glassware for cooking to avoid rapid temperature change during initial start. I thought preheating it would make it have a more rapid temperature change. Are they saying like the heating element will make it randomly like super hot? I don't know. Anyways, handle hot glassware and lids with a pot holder or dry. I don't know if they mean preheat it inside the oven or if they're saying like preheat the oven and then you can just throw it in there. Anyways, use care with tomato and acidic sauces since they can stain plastic lids. These don't have any plastic, so we don't have to worry about it. When cooking foods that may release liquid, add a small amount of liquid to cover the bottom of the glassware before cooking to avoid cool liquid hitting the hot glass. Allow hot glassware to cool on a cooling rack, dry pot holder, dry wood cutting board, or dry cloth. To avoid warping, remove or vent lids at least 1/4 inch before microwaving. Instant Pot brand pressure cooker notes: in addition to standard glassware use and care instructions, many Pyrex storage containers and baking dishes can be used in your Instant Pot brand product. To see which size glassware dish fits, and okay, they have a website there. Always place the glassware dish on the Instant Pot steam rack. Do not place dish directly on the inner pot surface because the bottom will get hot really fast, and also you can scratch up the inside. Anyways, be careful and use a dry pot holder or cloth when removing hot glassware and steam rack from the inner pot. Caution when using Instant Pot brand pressure cooker. Use care when cooking foods that expand such as rice, as they can cause overfilling and clog steam release function. Alright, make sure glassware does not float in water, as this will cause glassware to hit the side of the inner pot and could damage both the pot and glassware. Man, there's lots of stuff here. Make sure the top fill line of the food in the glassware is below the inner pot max PC fill line. Pressure cooker, alright, that's what PC stands for on there. Do not use any lid when cooking in the pot. Do not stack glassware dishes on top of each other in the pot. Do not use the saute function, and do not use the air fryer function. Alright, then they got care instructions here. Cleaning carefully will help keep your glassware in good condition. So all glassware can be used in the dishwasher and hand washed. Cleaning pads, you can use plastic or nylon. Don't use any metal or scratchy ones. Cleanser, you can use non-abrasive only. Plastic lid, you can use in the top rack of the dishwasher and hand wash them, but you can't use cleaning pads or cleansers. So plastic lids, you can't even use what's cleaning pads? Like, what about sponge? I don't know. Anyway, silicone lids, you can use in the dishwasher and hand wash. You can use plastic and nylon cleaning pads only, and no abrasive cleansers, right? Wood lids, can't put them in the dishwasher. You can only hand wash them. Cleaning pads, plastic or nylon only, and cleansers, non-abrasive only. Steel lids, no dishwasher. You can hand wash them. Plastic or nylon only cleaning pads, and non-abrasive cleansers. All right. Notes: before first use, wash glassware and lids thoroughly. So you got to wash out these measuring cups. All right. Allow them to cool before placing in the sink or water. When using a dishwasher, load items to avoid bumping against other items. Dry wood and steel lids immediately after washing. If wood lids appear dried out, apply a coat or two of food-safe mineral oil. Vegetable oils are not recommended, as they can become rancid. Here you go. Portable accessories. Read these instructions for best results with your portable accessories. A lot of this stuff you guys can just skip over. It doesn't look like even related to the measuring cups. But, alright. If handled or cleaned improperly, you can damage portable accessories. During use, do not heat the hot or cold pack in the oven. Hot boiling water, heat the insulated carrier in any cooking appliance. Drop or bump insulated carrier when it... Okay, all of this stuff is like just random stuff for anything that Pyrex makes, apparently. Anyways, this is all about an insulated carrier. If you want to read about that, you can read about that. This is about like hot and cold packs and stuff. Alright. Portable accessories to keep food warm. Yeah, none of this has to do with the measuring cups. You can read all of this if you want. I'll just hold it there. You can pause and then skip. Alright. So you can, they have like hot packs or something. I don't know. Nobody's going to be using a hot pack with a measuring cup, I don't think. Double-decker carriers. Okay, yeah, I don't think anyone's going to use this. Anyways, limited 2-year warranty. Corelli Brands, LLC, and Instant Brands Company promise to replace any Pyrex glass product that breaks from oven heat and any Pyrex non-glass accessory item with a manufacturing defect within 2 years from the date of purchase. The foregoing warranties apply only to products damaged during... Wait, what? What was I looking at? Oh. Here you go. During normal household use. These warranties do not cover damage resulting from misuse, negligence, accidental breakage, or attempted repair. For these warranties to apply, the owner must follow the acceptable safety or applicable safety, use, and care instructions. These warranties do not apply to items that are used while camping, used commercial... What? So if you use it while camping and you break it, then how will they know? Used commercially or institutionally, or damaged while moving or in related storage. If the exact item is not available, it will be replaced with a comparable item. incidental and consequential damages are expressly excluded. Some states do not allow the exclusion or limitation of incidental or consequential damages, so the foregoing limitations or exclusions may not apply to you. If making a warranty claim, keep the product, you may be asked to return it. This warranty gives you specific legal rights. You may also have other rights which vary from jurisdiction to jurisdiction. Should a warranty problem develop, visit consumer care at www.pyrexhome.com. Right, then they got French here. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. How does French and English only take half? Is there... Oh, I see. The French continues on the back, and then it goes into Spanish. Alright, anyways, yeah, this stuff in here, kind of common sense. Don't go from, like, really hot to really cold, or really cold to really hot, obviously. Don't use metal scouring pads on these, because you can scratch off the lettering and things like that, or scratch the glass. Other than that, that's pretty much it. Not much else to go on about here. Hopefully this video helped you guys out. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Sorry for reading the entire booklet for the most part, even though none of it had, well, even though like 80% of it had nothing to do with these glass Pyrex things. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.